it is the time to invite a co-creator, the passionate trainer, the energetic facilitator, and a creative content writer, Miss Natasha Davesar. So over to you, ma'am.
Round of applause for Natasha, ma'am, please.
Thank you so much, everyone. Us- yeah, so thank you so much, respected chief guest, Mrs. Kavita Sonavne, Mrs. Archana Dubey. It's a pleasure to have you as part of our first Splash event. I think I started my journey with Sumit sir some 3.5, 4 years back. I haven't had the privilege to meet the two of you, but I completely in gratitude for the kind of the support and the trust you've shown in all of us. And that is how I think the Money Matters has reached where it has reached right now. So thank you so much for taking time out and gracing us. And please continue your trust in us. We will only make it better every day. So thank you so much for that. And a big, big hi to all those lovely faces I see on the screen right now. A lot of them I already know. Some of them, yes, are new, but I think something which bonds us together is the Money Matters. So even if I haven't met you and known you, I think we have a bond which is the Money Matters. And I think that is only growing day by day. So thank you so much to each and every boy and girl for being with us, for all those lovely assignments, for your consistent commitment in completing your assignments, supporting your teachers and making you learn so beautifully. So thank you so much for doing that. Splash is just the start. It's the first edition this year. We are going to make it a constant edition every year. This is how we are going to celebrate all of you. And you are such lovely people that you have to be celebrated every day, but we'll at least make it once a year celebration for all of you. Right? So that's one thing. Thank you so much, Jyoti and Shilpa, for sharing such beautiful thoughts about Adrit and Tanvi. I have interacted with both of them very often. So yes, I kind of know them pretty much now. So thank you so much for sharing such beautiful thoughts. And I think it's heartening for us to know that they actually go back and talk about it. They are putting it to practice, because that is the sole motive why we actually started something like Money Matters or Holistic Education, because we wanted them to have a break from the school studies, and we also wanted them to get practical with what they do. A surprising fact, Kavita ma'am, Archana ma'am, I'd like to share with you is there is so much I learn from kids every session. Every session they surprise me. Every session, Adrit will come up with an answer which I think about after the session, thinking that how did he come up with something, or Tanvi says something, or Nishant or Aditya. They come up with such beautiful thoughts. And that is when I realized that as adults, we somehow leave our childlike curiosity with time. We just get into the race of, completing things and becoming the best. I think this childlike curiosity which they have, they keep inspiring me with that. So thank you so much, kids, for such beautiful participation. That's all from me. And big thanks to this lovely team I work with, Alia, Seema, Kushwant, Varinder ma'am, and of course, my dearest friend and of course a mentor in a big way, Sumit sir. So it's only because of a team like this that we get to meet such beautiful personalities. Thank you so much for doing that. Before we end, this is something which my father always told me, and I wondered if I were taught about money a little earlier in life, I probably would have made it much better in life, right? He always says, and he says that, learning, like Shilpa said, that learning is a continuous process. It's a process which takes time, but yes, it does stay with you. So one thing, kids, you need to always remember that if you're not willing to learn, no one can do anything about it. But if you're determined to learn, trust me, no one can stop you. So learning is something which needs to become your DNA. And it could be money, it could be anything else. Just don't set limits for learning. Like these 15 kids who came today and we interviewed them, I'm sure a lot of other kids will come in the next year and we'll be interviewing them, right? So it's all about just putting a lot of consistent effort, asking obscene number of questions without getting worried the other person is going to get bored. Just ask questions, just get to know so much, and use these growing years beautifully, right? So before we go, what I'm going to make you do is, for me, so I'm going to describe learning to you in my own ways. And I want each one of you to go into chat and tell me, what does learning mean to you? So that is what we are going to leave you on, because that is what I want you to go back with, understanding that learning can be so beautiful. And the next time you do a Money Matters class, you'll be all the more dedicated. So for me, learning is growth. So if I don't learn, I don't grow. I stay stagnant. Okay. So for me, learning is growth. I want all of you to just go to your chat windows and type what is learning for you. And we'd love to kind of store it somewhere. So we're just going to store this somewhere and put it across and tell you what it thinks about learning. Wow. Learning is improvement. Adrit says learning is knowledge. Learning is developing. Wow. Learning means going through a whole new experience. Wow, that's so beautiful. Trust me, I do that in every holistic session I do. I come out a new person, because there is one kid who'd surprise me, and the next class some other kid would surprise me. So yes, it's a lot of learning for me as well. Okay, lovely. All right, so that brings us to the end of this beautiful session. And thank you so much to each one of you for taking time out and appreciating all these kids, and to all the kids for being such wonderful people. And yes, thank you so much. Over to you, Varinda ma'am.
Now it's the time to invite our co-creator of the Money Matters curriculum, a passionate coach, a creative content writer, an energetic facilitator, and a certified NLP practitioner. So it's time to invite our Novo leader, Miss Natasha Dave, sir.
Please give a big round of applause.
Thank you so much, and thank you, Varinder, for such a beautiful introduction. But thank you so much to everybody, all the kids I see on the screen right now. A lot of them I already know, and it's a pleasure to be a part of Splash. It's a pleasure to be a part of your journey. I think I joined Money Matters some 3.5 years back. And that is how we started creating something जो आपको everyday use में आ सके. I wish मुझे किसी ने पैसे के बारे में इतनी छोटी एज में बताया होता तो today I would have probably, what do you say? I would have been earning a lot more, right? So my only request to everybody over here is that make the most of these sessions, make the most of what your parents are doing for you, because it takes a lot, you know. So मम्मी पापा सब आपकी भलाई के लिए ये सब चीजें और ये सब क्लासेस लगाते हैं. So make the most of it. And to all those kids who I saw right now, round 4 rounds of absolute stars, right? So thank you so much for being so committed with your sessions. Thank you to the teachers, Alia, Seema, Kushwant. I think you've been our backbone in getting Money Matters to where it is, right? Needless to say, I see Kavita ma'am on the screen. Lovely to meet you again, ma'am, in this session as well. So thank you. Special thanks to Kavita ma'am for spearheading and helping us reach out to so many kids and probably be able to contribute to their lives in some way or the other and make a difference to them, right? So thank you so much for helping us do that. I don't know if Jyotsna ma'am is there, but yes, Jyotsna ma'am, thank you. Even if you're not there, you are there with us in spirit, and your spirit and your, what do I say, enthusiasm about learning and making children, you know, develop holistically always stays with us. So thank you so much. I also see Mr. More. Mr. More, we haven't met, but it's a privilege to have you as part of this occasion. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for, you know, adding to children and adding to this entire initiative in such a big way. I'm sure with people like you in our, you know, what do I say, our extended team, I'm sure we're going to reach out to thousands and thousands of kids and be able to do some bit of work in our own way. So thank you so much. And yes, all the best, kids. We will see you in more sessions.